Dear students, today we have taken the exercise 8.4 question number 5. The question is that prove that. So, in this example we have to prove that the some examples are given. That means LHS is equals to RHS. Our first example is cosec theta minus cot theta whole bracket square is equals to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So, to solving this type of examples, in next step simply write down LHS. Left hand side is cosec theta minus cot theta whole bracket square. Now in next step simply convert this ratio into the basic trigonometry. That means cosec theta can also be written in the form of 1 upon sin theta minus cot theta can also be written in the form of cos theta upon sin theta whole bracket and bracket square. In next step here both the denominators are equal, so write only once and numerator as it is 1 minus cos theta and here whole bracket square. Now this square separate to the both numerator and denominator. That means 1 minus cos theta whole bracket square upon sin square theta. Here we use the ratio a upon b raised to the power m. That is rule of index, a raised to the power m upon b raised to the power m. Such a formula here we use. Okay. So in the next step again we use here identity. That means sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. And this is used for only in denominator. Our next step is 1 minus cos theta whole bracket square, and instead of writing the sin square theta simply put the value 1 minus cos square theta. Here again we use the formulation. Our formulation is a square minus b square is equals to a minus b into another bracket a plus b. So using this formulation 1 minus cos theta whole bracket square as it is divided by, here we use the formulation as 1 minus cos theta into another bracket 1 plus cos theta. So in denominator simply use the formulation a square minus b square is equals to into one bracket there is a subtraction, into another bracket there is a addition. That means a square minus b square is equals to a minus b into a plus b. Now here 1 minus cos theta and present in numerator 1 minus cos theta bracket square get cancelled. And what will be the remaining? 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. This is a RHS. So this part is proved. Therefore, hence it is proved. So this is the first example. Now dear students, our second question is cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equals to 2 into sec A. So this is the second question. So for solving this, write down our first step is LHS is equals to cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Here the fraction terms, trigonometric functions are present in fraction and in vice versa direction. So in this type of example simply multiply denominator by denominator as a LCM, that is cos of A into bracket 1 plus sin A. Simply here denominator multiplied by denominator. After that making the cross multiplication, cos A into cos A cos square A plus 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A 1 plus sin A bracket square, 1 plus sin A bracket square. And in next part we use the formulation for this bracket as a plus b bracket square is equals to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Simply use this formulation for this step. So cos square a as it is plus here 1 plus sin square a, that is 1 square 1 plus 2 into 1 into sin a means 2 sin a plus second term square means sin square a and divided by cos of a into bracket 1 plus sin a into bracket 1 plus sin a. In next part what happened? Here cos square a this plus sine square a plus here 1 plus 2 sine a. Simply writing the formulation term nearby each other. Then cos of a into bracket 1 plus sine a. So here we use the first identity. What is the value of sine square a plus cos square a is equals to 1 plus 2 sine of a and divided by cos of a into bracket 1 plus sine of a. So in next part 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 sine a and divided by cos of a into bracket 1 plus sine of a. So in the numerator the common part is 2. What is remaining in the bracket 1 plus sine of a divided by cos of a and again 1 plus sine of a. So this bracket get cancelled. Here we can write down 2 into 1 upon cos of a and 2 as it is 1 upon cos a means sec a. This is the right hand side. This will be the right hand side. So it is the step. Okay. So it is our second example. Just concentrate on the steps. Steps are very easy. Understand? Dear students, now our third example is tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equals to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. So this is the part we have to prove. Okay. So for this purpose we just taking the left hand side of the given example. Tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. So simply here writing the tan theta, the basic formulation is sin theta upon cos theta divided by 1 minus, basic formulation for the cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. This is the plus sign. Again use the formulation for the cot theta. That means the cos theta upon sin theta whole divided by 1 minus, and the formulation for the tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. So here now simply firstly solve with the denominator part. So numerator part as this is sin theta upon cos theta whole divided by, consider the one value upon 1. So here LCM is 1 into sin theta, and what will be the part present in the numerator? Sin theta into 1 minus 1 into cos theta. Okay, plus similarly term as this cos theta upon sin theta as it is whole divided by, and here again consider 1 upon 1. 1 into cos theta, that means the cos theta. Cos theta into 1, cos theta, minus sin theta into 1, sin theta. So this is the step. Now simply consider, here is the numerator part, this is the denominator part. So reciprocalize it. And after making the reciprocal, this sin theta transferred to the numerator of the numerator, that means the sin theta. Means sin into sin, sin square theta. And this sin theta minus cos theta present in transfer to the denominator. So here cos theta into bracket sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta. Plus same step here, cos into cos, cos square theta divided by, this is the sin theta. This is a sin theta into bracket cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta. So in this example we have to prove that 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. For solving these terms, here we simply making some changes as sin square theta upon, this is the cos theta into bracket sin theta minus cos theta, and here the plus sign as it is, and cos square theta divided by sin theta into bracket cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta. Now in this step, just making one thing, that just here take the minus sign as a common. So this is the minus sign, and if we taking the minus sign from this bracket as a common, then the positive term converted into negative. So plus cos theta is maybe negative and minus sin theta is positive. So this is a change. Here in this bracket just we take the negative sign as a common. When we take the negative sign as a common from the bracket, then the positive terms in the bracket get converted into negative and negative term get converted into positive. So here cos theta is positive. After taking the negative sign as a common, it will be negative and minus sin theta converted into positive. So in next step, this is a sin square theta divided by cos theta into bracket sin theta minus cos theta plus plus into minus and this is the cos square theta divided by sin theta, and this bracket write down the positive term first, that is the plus sin theta minus cos theta. Understand? So this is the term. After that, just taking the LCM value from both these equations, taking the LCM value. So this bracket is similar. So write down only once. Means sin theta minus cos theta. And which term are not similar? Sin theta and cos theta. So they are also taking as a product. Sin theta, cos theta. So sin theta, cos theta into bracket sin theta minus cos theta is a LCM value for this above expression. So, but here sin theta is absent. So sin theta into sin square theta, sin cube theta, minus cos into cos square, cos cube theta. Okay. So now we just write down the formulation is sin cube minus cos cube. So we simply write down sin theta minus cos theta into another bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta into cos theta and divided by, so this is the expansion, and upon sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So for that purpose here we use the formulation a cube minus b cube, and its formulation is a minus b into bracket a square plus b square plus ab. So here we use the formulation. So this formula is used. So step is sin theta minus cos theta into bracket sin square plus cos square plus sin theta cos theta. Here sin theta minus cos theta, same bracket get cancelled. After that, here putting the value of sin square plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Value is 1 plus sin theta into cos theta and divided by sin theta into cos theta. In next part, 1 upon sin theta into cos theta plus sin. Simple separate this term. Sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. So this similar term get cancelled. What will be the remaining value? The remaining value is 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. So after that, if we separate 1 upon sin theta is, so this value remaining is 1 plus 1 upon sin theta, 1 upon cos theta sec theta, and it is a cosec theta. So this is the RHS. So this is the step. We cancel sin theta cos theta, that time we get the value 1, and 1 upon cos theta sec theta, 1 upon sin theta cosec theta. So this is our third example. Okay. Dear students, now our question number is 4, and what is given part? 1 plus sec a upon sec a is equals to sin square a upon 1 minus cos a. But here we give a hint. Simplify LHS and RHS separately. We have to solve the LHS also RHS. Okay. So LHS is a 1 plus sec a upon sec a. Simply write down in a basic form. So 1 plus basic form is sec is 1 upon cos a and 1 upon cos of a. So here 1 upon 1 we consider. So considering the value is LCM as cos A into 1 cos A, cos A into 1 cos A plus 1, cos A plus 1. So this is the numerator part upon 1 upon cos of A. So numerator having the same denominator and denominator also having the same denominator, so it will be cancelled. So here remaining part A, cos of A plus 1. So this is the equation number 1, LHS. Okay, cos A plus 1. Now we have considered the RHS. RHS value is sin square A upon 1 minus cos of A. Here we use the formulation is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 using the first identity. By using this identity, simply write down the formulation for sin square A is 1 minus cos square A divided by 1 minus cos of A. Again 1 considers the 1 square, and here we use the formulation is A square minus B square is equals to A plus B into another bracket A minus B. After using this formulation, 1 minus cos of A into another bracket 1 plus cos of A divided by denominator is 1 minus cos of A. So 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A get cancelled. What will be the remaining? 1 plus cos of A. Given equation number 2nd. So this is the RHS. Now write down the from equation 1 and 2. Here LHS is equals to RHS. So this is the our example. Okay. Dear students, our next example is question number 5. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equals to cosec A plus cot A. So for this purpose we take the LHS as cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1. That is the left hand side. Our next step is divide numerator and denominator by sin of A. Here our next part is we just divide by sin A to both numerator and denominator. Then the questions you have, then the dear students, you have one question: why we take the sin A function for division to both numerator and denominator from the other functions? So here just consider we have to show that cosec A plus cot A. What is the basic formulation for the cosec A? 1 upon sin A. And what is the basic formulation of the cot A? Cos upon sin. So these both trigonometric functions, their formulation contains the sin A function as its denominator. So therefore our step is divide numerator and denominator by sin A. So next part is just separating the term cos A upon sin A minus sin A upon sin A and plus 1 upon sin A, 1 upon sin A divided by this cos A upon sin A plus sin A upon sin A minus 1 upon sin A, minus 1 upon sin A. So after writing this step, cos upon sin means cot A minus sin get cancelled, remaining value is 1 plus 1 upon sin A, that is the cosec A, upon cos upon sin cot of A plus sin upon sin 1 minus 1 upon sin cosec A. Okay, so this is the term. Now in next part, cot A plus cosec A and minus 1 upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now simply use the formulation 1 as cosec square A minus cot square A, simply using the identity. So in numerator this 1, instead of this 1 place, write down this formulation. Our next part is cot A plus cosec A. Now minus, make a bracket of this term, minus sign as it is. Instead of writing 1, just put up these values in terms of the cosec square A minus cot square A, cosec square A minus cot square A, and divided by here cot of A minus cosec A minus plus 1. This denominator part as it is, this denominator part as it is, there is no change. Okay, so in next part simply use the formula A square minus B square is equals to cot of A plus cosec A into another minus sign is here, negative sign is here, and A square minus B square, that means the cosec A minus cot of A into another bracket cosec A plus cot of A divided by denominator part as it is, cot of A minus cosec A plus 1. Now in this numerator you just take the common part outside. So which one is the common part? Common part is cot A plus cosec A. That means cosec A plus cot A. So taking the common cot A plus cosec A, taking this part as a common, what will be the remaining? Here this part get outside, therefore its value is 1 minus into bracket cosec A minus cot A, cosec A minus cot A, bracket complete, divided by here cot A minus cosec A plus 1. So in next part, this is the cot A plus cosec A, the bracket complete, into bracket 1 minus into cosec A. Now open this bracket with the negative sign, minus cosec A minus cosec A, minus into minus plus cot of A. So bracket complete, divided by cot of A minus cosec A plus 1. Now here just concentrate, plus cot A minus cosec A minus cosec A, plus 1 plus 1. That means these are the identical brackets. So get cancelled. What will be the remaining? Cot A plus cosec A, and this is the right hand side. So this is the example number 5th. Now dear students, our next example number 6. Under root of 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A is equals to sec A plus tan A. And we have to prove that sec A plus tan A. So for this purpose we are taking the left hand side is equals to under root of 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A. So this is the function in a root sign. So here we have to make one adjustment is that. So just we write down this left hand side, simply multiply numerator and denominator is 1 plus sin A upon 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A upon 1 plus sin A. Simply making this adjustment. If we cancel this term 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A, we get the answer is 1. And 1 into term is equals to 1. That is the root. Okay. So in next part, numerator multiplied by numerator 1 plus sin A into another bracket 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A and into another bracket 1 plus sin A. So here into root 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, that is 1 plus sin A bracket square divided by 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A, that means A minus B into another bracket A plus B is equals to A square minus B square. So here what is the value of A? That is the 1 square. What is the value of B? That is the sine. So therefore sine square A. So in next part, under root sine into under root 1 plus sine A bracket square upon 1 minus sine square A, that means cos square A. So in next part, simply separate the root, under root of 1 plus sine A whole bracket square divided by under root of cos square A. So square and square root get cancelled. And the remaining part is 1 plus sine A upon cos of A. 1 plus cos of A. Simple separate the term 1 upon cos A plus sine A upon cos A. And according to the basic ratio, 1 upon cos A represents sec A. Same, sin A upon cos A represents tan A. And this will be the right hand side. So this is our answer of the question number 6. Dear students, our question number 7 is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equals to tan theta. We have to show that this is the tan theta. So for this purpose we take the left hand side is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta and 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. So solving this term as just taking the sin theta as a common from the numerator, sin theta, what will be the value present in numerator? 1 minus, here sin theta get common, so remaining value 1, minus 2 and sin square theta. Why sin square? Because here is a sin cube and sin function taking as a common, so remaining value is a sin square, divided by cos theta again as a common, so here 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now we have to solve the value is equals to tan theta, so here use the value sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Means in numerator and denominator, instead of the place of 1, we simply put this identity value sin square theta plus cos square theta. So here sin theta into bracket 1 minus 2, sorry, instead of value 1 we simply put down sin square theta plus cos square theta, this is the value of 1, and minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, so this is the first bracket upon this is the cos theta into bracket this 2 cos square theta minus sin, and instead of value 1 simply put down the value sin square theta plus cos square theta. So value is put. Means instead of numerator 1 we simply put down the value sin square theta plus cos square theta, again upon 2 cos square theta minus 1, again instead of the value 1 simply put down the value sin square theta plus cos square theta. So here sin theta, here sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta, bracket complete, divided by here is a cos theta 2 cos square theta, open this bracket with negative sign, so minus sin square theta, and minus into plus minus cos square theta, minus cos square theta. So here sin upon cos function as it is sin theta into bracket. Now this cos square theta positive, so cos square theta positive, sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta, sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta, that means minus sin square theta, and upon cos theta into bracket 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta, that is the cos square theta, and this minus sin square theta as it is. So here cos square theta minus sin square theta and cos square theta minus sin square theta, both brackets are similar, so they get cancelled. What will be the remaining value? Sin theta upon cos theta, and sin theta upon cos theta is equals to tan theta. This is nothing but the right hand side. So it's our answer. Now the students, our question is question number 8, sin a plus cosec a bracket square plus cos a plus sec a bracket square, and we have to prove that c1 plus tan square a plus cot square a. So for this purpose we take the LHS as sin a plus cosec a bracket square plus cos a plus sec a bracket square. Here we use the formulation is a plus b bracket square. Its expansion is a plus a square plus b square plus twice ab. So in this step here simply write down sin square a plus cosec square a plus 2 sin a into cosec a. 2 sin a into cosec a. Again here plus, simply write down cos a plus sec square a. Cos a plus sec square a. So here cos square a plus sec square a plus 2 cos a into sec a. 2 cos a into sec a. In this part we simply write down the terms and also basic conversion of the trigonometric formula. So here this sin square a plus this cos square a. So this sin and this cos square a as it is, plus here cosec square a plus sec square a, cosec square a plus sec square a, plus simply write down below 2 sin a into, what about the cosec a? 1 upon sin a. 1 upon sin a plus 2, this is a cos a into 1 upon, what about the sec a? 1 upon cos a. So here this sin a get cancelled, cos a get cancelled. So here sin square a plus cos square a, this value represented by identity, that is the 1. 1 plus Here cosec square A plus sec square A. Cosec square A plus sec square A. Now plus here remaining value is 2 plus here remaining value is 2. So in this part 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5 plus. Now instead of cosec square A, simply put the trigonometric identities. What about the cosec square A? That is the 1 plus cot square A. Plus what about the sec square A? 1 plus tan square A. So now 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. That is 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. And this is nothing but the right hand side. So this is our example. Okay. Now students, our question number is 9. Cosec A minus sin A into bracket sec A minus cos A. And we have to prove that 1 upon tan A plus cot A. In this example, there is a hint is given, and hint is that separately solve the LHS and also RHS. So we take the LHS as a cosec A minus sin A into bracket sec A minus cos A. In this step, we simply use the formulation for the cosec A is 1 upon sin A, and this is the sin A as it is. Okay, into another bracket sec A 1 upon cos A minus cos of A. Understand? In next step, here considered as a 1 value, here also considered as a 1 value. So solving this term sin A into 1, this is the sin A, 1 into 1 1 minus sin into sin, sin square A, sin into sin, sin square A, and into another bracket again cos A into 1, cos of A, 1 into 1 1 minus cos A into cos A, cos square A. So here we use the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So using this formulation, 1 minus sin square A, that means cos square A upon sin A into 1 minus cos square A, that is the sin square A upon cos A. Understand? So here this sin A and this square A is cancelled. This cos and also this square is also cancelled. So remaining value A cos A into sin A. So this is the equation number 1 after solving the left hand side. Similarly, we can solve the RHS. RHS is 1 upon tan A plus into cot A. Now simply in next part, simply write down the basic formulation for the tan A is sin A upon cos A, and plus for the cot A cos A upon sin A. Okay, so for this purpose, this 1 as it is divided by here LCM part is sin A into cos A, sin A into cos A, sin into sin, sin square A plus cos A into cos, cos square A. Okay, so in next part, simply reciprocalize this term, then sin A into cos A transferred to the numerator. So sin A into cos A divided by sin square A plus cos square A. Here value is 1 because this sin square A plus cos square A value is 1. So remaining value is sin A into cos of A. It is nothing but the right hand side. So this is our example. Okay, sorry, here RHS equation number 2, and after that from equation 1 and 2, now you can write LHS is equals to RHS. Understand? So it is all about our example. Dear students, now our last question, question number 10 is 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A is equals to 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A whole bracket square is equals to tan square A. Means for the both these brackets or both this term, we have to show that answer is a tan square A. So here we take the LHS is equals to 1 plus tan square A upon 1 minus cot square A. So in this formulation, simply write down 1 as it is. What is the formulation of tan square sin square A upon cos square A divided by 1 plus cot square A, that means the cos square A upon sin square A. So in this part we simply put up this ratio. For tan square is equals to sin square upon cos square a, and for cot square a, cos square a upon sin square a. So for this purpose we simply write down here nothing value considered 1. So its LCM is cos square a. Its LCM is cos square a. Cos square a into 1, cos square a, plus 1 into sin square a. 1 into sin square a whole divided by, again here LCM value is sin square a. Sin square into 1, sin square a, plus 1 into cos square a, cos square a. So using the identity here, the value of cos square a plus sin square a is equals to 1 upon cos square a divided by 1 upon sin square a. So write down in the inverse reciprocal value. So that means sin square a upon cos square a. Here this is the numerator, this is the denominator. So numerator also contain the ratio and denominator also consists of the ratio. So after the transformation or the reciprocal, denominator of the denominator transferred to the numerator. So sin square a transferred to the numerator and this denominator transferred to the this numerator. So sin square into 1, sin square a into 1, sin square a, and cos square a into 1, cos square a, and sin square a upon cos square a, that means the tan square a. So this is the value. And also with solving by taking the RHS as 1 minus tan a upon 1 minus cot a whole bracket square. So in next part 1 minus putting the value of tan a, here sin a upon cos a bracket square divided by again 1 minus putting the value of cot a, cos a upon sin a again bracket square. So here cos a into 1 cos a minus sin a upon cos a bracket square divided by sin a minus cos a upon sin a whole bracket square. So now taking the bracket is common. So now taking the bracket is common. Sin a minus cos a. So here cos of a minus sin of a square separate to all the term and cos square a divided by here sin a minus cos of a bracket square upon sin square a upon the sin square a. Now here after writing this step we just write down simple form cos a minus sin a whole bracket square divided by sin a minus cos of a whole bracket square into and this sin square a upon cos square a. Okay, so now solving these brackets we simply put up the formula a minus b bracket square. So here cos square a plus sin square a minus 2 sin a into cos a, 2 sin a into cos a divided by again sin square a plus cos square a minus 2 sin a into cos of a into sin square upon cos square is equals to tan square a. Now this is the cos square a, sin square a, sin square a, cos square a. Its value is 1 minus 2 sin a into cos a. So cos square a plus sin square a value 1 minus 2 sin a cos a divided by this 1 minus 2 sin a into cos a into tan square a. This similar term get cancelled, remaining value is tan square a. So here term is the RHS. Okay, so both the equations are same, tan square a and also tan square a. So this is the proof of these examples. Okay.